Hello guys. Wow, I've adjusted the angle of the camera, which probably makes my face look a bit weird, but it gives you more of a view of the world. I felt like my face was too much of a prominent situation in the view. Okay guys, we are, Asha has us going on a mission to give back some glass bottles of like this special like elixir stuff. It's like a, what's it called again? Hello. Hello. Ah, no thank you. Temalua. Yeah, so she's just returning the glass from the Temalua because they actually use recycled bottles. Right. Now, okay. Gosh, the navigator's not doing so well. Left her in the dust. But today, what are we doing? Not too much. We haven't done so much already. Yesterday was a non-starter day. Even actually, maybe you saw at the end of the last video, we were supposed to go to that dance performance thing. After all that situation, I just lost all my energy and I was just like, I need time off. I need to do editing. So I didn't go. I should still win. But she did get my money back actually, so that's nice, at least. But I didn't see the show, but that's fine. I need to rest and do some editing, like I said. Wow, this is an amazing one. But yeah, so today is a new day. Today I need to go. Again, it's a kind of a non-action day as such. We've been like doing planning and stuff because we are leaving the country in like 2 days. You know, a bit of editing, done loads of planning. We've planned a trip for tomorrow, which is really good. Like a proper tour for tomorrow, which will be going to 4 different locations around, well, north of Ubud, like the famous temple on the lake and some waterfalls and some other stuff. Obviously, you know, tune in tomorrow to find out more information, as I have forgotten what all these things are called. But today, we are talking today. Today, we're about to go to lunch. Going for lunch. And then I'm going to the dentist. Yeah! We love going to dentists, don't we? Yes, we do. So yeah, that's coming up. And then probably later on, I think we might be going to like a night market after that. In between, I have to do some editing and things. I've got like loads of editing to catch up on, particularly as we're going. Yeah, we're flying out in a couple of days. Like there'll be a few days of kind of travel and like readjusting, and then Kuala Lumpur, if you don't know, Malaysia, etc., Singapore and things, all coming at you. But yeah, so I just want to get kind of ahead of some of the editing, which would be great. But for now, food, then dentist, then night market. Yes, good. Okay, see you all there. So the place we're going to is actually a place Asha has been before. I'm just looking on Google and just saw it's as busy as it gets. Great. But it's called Bali Buddha, but it's Buddha spelled B-U-D-A. Ubud. So we'll be there soon. Okay guys, wow, the color on this is crazy. Okay, that's all right. We're in bright color now. Trying different colors.
What's this? Why is it different color?
Oh, because I've changed some settings on it. Look how wide it is. Yeah, it's like really wide. It means my nose looks a lot bigger. Well, so what's happened is, like I said, I looked on Google Maps. It then said that it was like as busy as it gets, and I am starting to get a little bit stressed about not getting to the dentist on time. And you remember the last dentist? There was some problems with traffic in Jogja, which I then had to cancel and change the dentist, and then dentist, and then walk for an hour
Gosh, that
because
was
of the traffic,
horrible.
and then still got there with 3 minutes to spare. See, I don't want to have to do all that again, so we decided that, yeah, we'll just go to this place.
Next
It's
door.
quiet. Yeah, why go to a busy place when there's a really nice place right next, right walking past it.
And it's our favorite warung instead of cafe. Although, like, I've been to Bali Buddha yesterday, had my purple pumpkin soup and beetroot hummus, and I read about the place. It's like well organized, well produced, I would say, with great shop. So do visit it, but yeah, just when you have a little bit more time, I'll guess.
Yeah. Wow, loads of stuff there. Yeah, it all looks good. This place is called, gosh,
Very good.
Sugriwas Warung. Yeah, looks good to me. Loads of pork. We haven't really had much pork lately.
I had yesterday this pork sandwich in other warung. and
Obviously
it
being in
was
Bali.
massive.
Yeah, obviously being in Bali and it being less of a Muslim population, more of a Hindu population, they're more inclined to serve pork or babi, if you didn't know. Okay, gonna choose. Look at all the choices. It's mostly pork.
But there's tuna curry as well.
Okay guys, wow, this is still so orange. Okay, we're gonna be orange for a little bit today, I think. And I'll try it. Oh, I have to look at it on the thing. Okay, so welcome to Orange Land. So this is what one of the things I ordered. It is, what is it? I don't know. Chocolate milkshake? Yeah, something as simple as that. Oh, a metal straw. Okay.
Not just straw, be careful.
I almost chewed on it just before going to the dentist.
Oh my god.
Okay, yeah, it's just a standard like milkshake thing. Nice and cold though. Nice and cold. Got a bit of calcium in there. I think I need the calcium and I need the magnesium. And it's cold. I need the cold as well. It's actually warmer today. The sun's kind of out.
Yeah.
Clouds about. But yeah, it seems like a nicer day. You know, we could even see, I didn't show you, but from our guest house you can see the mountains in the background, which up until today they'd been kind of covered in cloud. Ash is doing some contraption.
Mary.
She's doing a Virgin Mary, but with the sweet catch cup.
Yeah.
Aspin,
It's all sweet.
Manis. No, that's not a sweet one.
Huh?
That's Asin.
What's that?
So Manis is sweet.
Ah, okay.
So I guess Asin is savory. Yeah, see, it's more liquid.
Oh, good.
That's the one you wanted.
I put some sambal.
Oh, wow.
Take that.
Wow. Yeah, and that's tomato sauce. If you want to put more tomato in it. Just making a concoction there, people. This is the Asha
Virgin Mary.
Asha Virgin Mary.
But made of fresh tomatoes juice. Fresh.
Fresh.
So basically it tastes like Virgin Mary, but imagine like a breezy version. Like breeze near the seaside. This is it.
It's got ice in it? No?
Woo! A bit spicy.
Okay. Ta-da! Here's people, here's the thing. Here's a motorcycle going by. Boom, and boom. Okay guys, our food has just turned up. Look at it. Looks pretty amazing actually. I got like a red rice apparently. Didn't know I was getting a red rice, but I got a red rice. And mine was babi. Well, actually I'll just read it. I'll just say it as as it is on the menu, which was pork goreng, something mata, I think. So it's got like sambal, like, so I think it's like a light sambal.
Like crispy pork.
Yeah, crispy pork, that's what it is. Crispy pork. Wow, really, yeah, wow.
So happy we came here.
You can taste some like coriander in there. Like the sambal is a little bit different. It's not like a tomato sambal. It's like a
Pink rice.
more of an onion sambal with a bit of chili there. A little bit of salad. Like I said, red rice. Haven't had red rice yet. Look at ashes though. Ashes is a crazy thing. We're just gonna do this.
It's nasi campur. Nasi campur.
So she got nasi campur, but exchanged the satay ayam, which is chicken satay, with babi ayam. No, sorry. Satay
Sapi.
babi.
Babi?
Pork. Babi. So pork. So we both got pork, making the most of the Hindu culture, I guess.
Yeah. Food culture.
Yeah, because I haven't actually had pork for quite a while.
Me too.
Yeah,
Since
there.
yesterday.
Yeah, since yesterday. But yeah, it all tastes good. Yours looks amazing. Like, it's got loads of different things. This is like a corn fritter. Obviously the red rice again. Chicken pieces. Sorry, I'm pointing at you.
Yeah.
Like a pancake thing. Some other salady. Yeah, salad stuff. And some crackers and some little bits of salad.
This feels a bit weird eating in front of those pigs.
Oh yeah, because right across the road, you can see this is the pig, this is the pig, and this is the pig. Oh wow, we won't tell them. Actually, I found it quite interesting. Yeah, we were talking about how people select their guardian, shall we say, or their like kind of their intro to their door. And I imagine there's like some Chinese coins just there. And maybe this is like because whoever it is was born in the year of the pig. I don't know. Maybe let me know down below. How do they choose what the things are at the front? How do you choose?
Also the door, I realized yesterday walking that some people have like female and male. On our door there is a female representation and some like scary male. So I'm wondering if this is like female and male energy. What is that? If someone knows, let us know.
Well, like there's the older ones, right? There's like the grandma and grandpa, which kind of represent like the ancestors, I think, just in general.
No, but this is on actual door in the gold frame. That there is a female and male on the other side. So I think maybe that's like a yin yang kind of energy, maybe.
Well, it might be like who is it? Rama and that girl.
Vishnu and Radha, not really, because they're like more in love. This is kind of like more dance, woman in dance, and men with like kind of scary face. This is what I saw yesterday.
Men with scary face. Okay. Gonna eat stuff. It's probably gonna get cold. Blah blah blah. Lots of talking. Bye. Okay, guys. Can't remember how much that cost, but I guess we'll work it out later. It was something like, mine was 45, I think, and the drink was 25. I just had to leave Usher there because I'm heading off to the dentist. Might leave this video here for now, and then maybe jump on another one. I'm trying to keep some of the videos quite small, actually, just because I've noticed, you know, they're getting up around half an hour out of 45 minutes. These guys are taking way too long. Yeah, so I'll end the video here. Thanks for watching. Let's not get run over while we're signing off. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Like, it means a lot. Gosh, almost got run over that time. Funny, they got footpaths, but you can't really use them. Thanks for watching. Yeah, consider subscribing. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.